Giancarlo Amansek, second class. Cadet Second Lieutenant Marie Alessandra Caili, second class. Cadet Second Lieutenant Justin Chavez, second class. Cadet Second Lieutenant Daryl Dumag, second class. Cadet Second Lieutenant Jopay Alicarte, second class. Cadet Second Lieutenant Javier Flores III, second class. Cadet Second Lieutenant Alfred S. Ganado, second class. Cadet Second Lieutenant Rodel Louis, second class. Cadet Second Lieutenant Christopher Morocco, second class. Cadet Second Lieutenant John Benedict Pasis, second class. Cadet Second Lieutenant Jodeline Patricio, second class. Cadet Second Lieutenant Mark Alvin Reyes, second class. Cadet Second Lieutenant Micaela Robles, second class. Cadet Second Lieutenant Rebby James Urbida, second class. Cadet Second Lieutenant Philip Tarlin, second class. And lastly, Cadet Second Lieutenant Marie Chris Ugot, second class. Now that I finally introduce